Home Depot and demo. Rip that shit up. Cause yeah, if you go,
Here, Brett.
I want to take out the wall.
Take it out.
Just take a hammer to it.
This piece. That piece. This piece.
Yeah, because if we're gonna open up the, you take out the tub and then you can build in a whole new shelving unit, or like you said, that's silver. And then that'll open up the bathroom more because it won't be closed in once that's all out. And then we'll get the tub out.
Yeah.
And roll the tub out because then we won't have the wood right there.
Have you guys ever worked?
5. Can I kick it? I know, right?
I think it's holding it.
Is it, how far is it? Which can we get rid of? Is it up on the ceiling? Yeah, we gotta keep this board. Don't we? No? Won't come out.
It will.
Oh well. Just working with the screwdriver right now. Not busting out the heavy utensils.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Out in the hallway there.
Oh yeah. I had to go get the good old sledgehammer. That's some good wood still.
I don't know what's drywall.
Damn you, drywall. We hate you. Nice. And then that board come right out right there. You're having all fun work. Come on.
Help yourself, buddy. You'll hurt yourself trying to kick shit.
I know.
One-handed.
Pop. Timber. Yeah.
Probably have to cut that.
Yeah. You're gonna have to cut that one. And bust out the chainsaw. Oh, that side too? Yeah, that would work.
I'll see the mill dig.
Yeah. If you have that in your bathroom, get rid of the wall. Just let you know.
It's this around my faucet.
Yeah.
Common area around the faucet.
Peace.
I've had this shit freeze up, so I'm getting rid of
Bye.
it. Elimination of freezing.
Little installation.
Very little. You and Brent too.
You don't know. I know. What is he doing? Wow. Right?
He's rude.
Open sesame. Look at that, man. It just peeled right off. Wow. No, that's. You want that? That's gotta stay.
Nope.
Oh, I ain't gonna. I don't want to fuck with the faucet.
Watch out.
Yeah. Ain't got out of there.
Watch your hand. It'll cut you.
Oh, I'm looking where the screws are. I mean the nail is. Did you got? Alright, I'll be back. We gotta finish this Home Depot project. Peace.